Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Join me, let me show you how I made this delicious and refreshing turmeric milk tea. To make this, I placed my pot on the stove, added some water. I'm using 2 cups of water here. I added some sticks of cinnamon, just 1 stick of cinnamon, which I broke into 3 pieces. When the water gets hot, I add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can also use turmeric stick for this. You put it at the same time you put the cinnamon stick and allow it to boil. Then I'll add 1.5 tablespoon of milk powder. I'm using powdered milk here. You can use any type of milk you have. I'll then stir it so that it can dissolve very well. Then I'll allow it to boil, and once it starts boiling, I'll also stir it to avoid it from sticking to the pot. Then I'll reduce my heat and allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes while stirring it at intervals also. After about 2 minutes, I will now put off the stove and serve. You can enjoy this in any of those cold mornings or evenings or any time of the day. Just add about a teaspoon of honey to sweeten it a bit and enjoy. Turmeric tea is very delicious and healthy. It boosts our immune system, aids in digestion and weight loss. It has a lot of health benefits. Give it a try and thank me later. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.